Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, 1856 to 1920, was one of the most extraordinary leaders of India's freedom struggle. Famous as Bal in the Lal-Bal-Pal, Tilak dedicated his life to achieving Swaraj and paved the way for a powerful nationalist movement in Indian politics. Tilak was born in 1856 in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra to Gangadhar Chandra Tilak and Parvati Bai Tilak. He passed away in Mumbai in August 1920 due to ill health. Educational life. He completed his studies in mathematics, Sanskrit and law at Fergusson College. He believed that education could bring social change and worked toward that goal. Journalism. Through his newspapers Kesari, Marathi and Maratha English, he strongly criticized British rule. These newspapers played a crucial role in awakening nationalist consciousness among the people. Writings. Gita Rahasya, a profound interpretation of the Bhagavad Gita, analyzing the philosophy of karma and dharma. It became an inspiring work promoting nationalism and action-oriented thought. Freedom movement. 1. Slogan of Swaraj. He declared, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." This slogan energized the Swadeshi movement. 2. Swadeshi movement. He encouraged the boycott of British goods and promoted the use of indigenous products. 3. Opposition to the partition of Bengal. He organized protests against British decisions and inspired youth participation in the national movement. Cultural awakening. Tilak transformed festivals such as Ganesh Utsav and Shivaji festivals into platforms for promoting national spirit and unity. Imprisonment. Due to his movements against British rule, he was imprisoned several times. He also spent time in the Mandalay prison in Myanmar. Tilak became a guiding force for the radical group within the Indian National Congress. His struggles and bold ideas inspired patriotic feelings among Indian youth. The path shown by Tilak for building an independent India remains invaluable. He stands as an inspirational figure in India's freedom movement and a great leader who instilled nationalism in society. His role in Indian history remains unique and everlasting.